Hello everyone, welcome back to Dream in the US and Lifestyles. So today our topic is standardized tests. Yes, most people are scared of applying for schools in the USA or even UK because they are scared they're not going to pass exam or the other. The good news I want to tell you today is that you don't need any of this for you to apply and study in the USA. I wrote the graduate record examination. The exam is the English proficiency test. Yes, English proficiency test. The big bosses are the TOEFL and IELTS. IELTS is more common in the UK, TOEFL more common in the USA, but you can use any of this in any of these countries. And the lesser one is Duolingo. Duolingo is more cheaper than the IELTS or TOEFL. That most schools here in the USA, they are waiving this English proficiency test for Nigerians. Yes, for Nigerians, because the new our educational system are in English. So since all these English exams are being waived, what is now as in limiting you from applying for that program? What I'm here to tell you is that I'm going to be a link in the comment section where you can search for these exams so that at least you can see how much it costs, check where their test centers are in anywhere you are in the world, and you can have all this information standby so that by the time you begin searching for schools, if any of the school that you want to apply for insist in any of these exams, yes, some schools insist that you write these exams, but you can ignore them. But if you feel that, oh, I really like this school, then you have to write those exams. So by that time, you know how much it's going to cost you and we are going to register for this exam. So that being said, don't be scared about those exams. Don't be scared of English proficiency exam. Don't be scared of GRE. You are good to go without having to write this exam. One of the questions I got during my live section last Sunday was, what is the chance of getting scholarship if someone have IELTS? These exams are being waived mostly for Nigerians. Like most of the schools here in the USA, they waive English proficiency test for Nigerians. You have to check with your country and see if it is waived. But for Nigeria specifically, I'm speaking. For that being said, since these exams are being waived, then it doesn't increase your chance of getting scholarship here in the USA. Me personally, I got my scholarship without having to write this English proficiency test. But if the school that you're applying for, they require this exam, then obviously the score that you get is going to impact your chance of securing funding. I hope this is helpful. You don't need that proficiency test. You don't need that GRE. All my friends that I know here in the USA, none of them took that English proficiency test. So like I said, you have to check out with the school that you'll be applying for. But I grant you that most of the school, they'll be waiving English proficiency tests for you. But if you get across anyone that insists on you writing those exams, then you can browse or based on your location in any part of the world to see where you can go and take those exams. I recommend that you take some time to prepare for the exams. Make sure that you are ready before you go and sit for that exam, because you don't want to waste your time and money and then you didn't do well in those exams. Let those exams scare you from applying for schools here in the USA. You get admission, you can secure funding without having to write those exams. Yes, so be there for our live section this coming Sunday, where you are going to get more info on how you can start the process of searching for schools, contacting program directors, as in all you need to know about this process from start to finish. So don't miss out and try to invite your friends, your family, share it on your Facebook account or Instagram or wherever. Try to let people know that I'm going to be talking about this, and don't forget to follow, like, comment, share for premium content on how you can be here in the USA this 2025 or 2026 marks. So with that being said, thank you for keeping up with my content. I love you guys. Bye.